Okay, today we want to create a cover for our video to upload in on YouTube. Let's go in the command line, or let's go into the directory where we want to start our command line. First, we are going um, to use Jupyter this time. Now, to start the command line, let's write here cmd, and we have our Jupyter. And if we want to install use Jupyter, you got to do pip install Jupyter, and I have all satisfied the requirement. There is a little bit to download, as you can see, but I have already installed it. Then you go to Jupyter Lab, the browser will open. There it is, our Jupyter notebook. So I just have here the code, and I want to show you the result of this code. That is this. You see, I made this cover for Flask and Python. I'm doing this in these days, and you see, if you are lazy like me, maybe you want to then do another cover with the 13 number, just change the number and there it is. You don't have to go in Canva and or something like that. Let's see how we did this code. With Jupyter Lab, you can go into one of these cells using the plus sign, and first of all, we got to import from PIL. We got to import image. Image is the class that we can use to create a new image. So let's create an instance of the image class using the new method. And the new method make me create an image, first of all, in RGB. You can also do it in black and white, etc. Let's do it in color for this time. And then you define the width and the height of your image. And so let's see, then let's show this file without saving it with image show. I forgot to put an M here. There it is. I didn't save, and it's black. And if you wanna give it a color, like for the background, you can do color like orange, for example, and that is, it's orange. Now we can also save this file here, and you will see that this is the list of the files that in the directory that we are in now. And if we can save our file, make image, save, and the number of the file, the name of the file, and we can call it orange.png, and go with Ctrl and enter, and you see there should be an orange PNG, that is this one, and here is our image in orange. Now that we created our image, we can let's pass to another cell here, and now we want to create a new image, and I got this Flask PNG. This is an image into this directory. So now I want to create an image number 2 from image.open flask.png, and then I wanna image2.show, image2.show. Let's see if, okay, this is the image number 2. Now I want to mix these two images, and I want to pass this image in the first one. So I'm going to do image dot paste, and let's see, 0 0 and okay, we paste our image onto the first one. It's a little, it's bigger than the first one, so I'm gonna change my image here, like 800 for 400, and now let's see if it fits. Okay, it fits. Now I want to put this image in the center of this one, and so we want to pass it with an offset. Let's first of all get the width and height of the image. So image size, if we do print W and 8, we should see this image. Well, let's put this into another cell so we don't oh yeah okay, now it's right. This is an attribute and not a function, so not a method. So we have 800 and 400 is the size of our image, as you could imagine. Now let's go create another. Now we want to put this image in the middle of the first one, and so let's create again our image so that it's orange. It doesn't have the image pasted in. And now we want to image dot paste the image 2 with before this we want to create an offset variable that is width divided by we have to put the top. This is the top must be like this. This is the final version I did. Must be here. So this should be let me check how the size before we do this. Let me check the sides E2 and A2 of the first image, image 2, that we don't know the sides. Okay, it's 692. Okay, we could do something quite easy, and we could just add something like 100 here and 100 here, so we get 50 and 50. So let's say 792 and 350. Okay, so to start, and then I am gonna image dot paste my image 2. I wanna place it at 50 50. Then let's emg.show our image. We could also recreate our image. Let me copy and paste this one, recreate our image every time so that it doesn't have the other image in it, and let's run it. Let's see what we get. And here it is. I think this is it. Let me close this one. Let me run it again. And now we have it perfectly in the middle. Okay, I could have done something that's more general, but for now let's use this code. Then we can generalize the code for other images as well. And we could also leave some space here, and so I think we're gonna leave other 50 or 100 maybe. Yeah, let's leave 100 more so that we don't have too many so difficult calculation here. Let me do this 892, and this I want to put this at 150. Let me see what we got. Oh yeah, perfect. 450, and this is 50, and this is 150. Okay, we left a space up here because here we want to place our text like I did here in my previous code. To do this, we have to first of all create an import image font from PIL. And so we can create a new font instance of image font with I think we could use, in my case, an Arial, and I want to use something like 50, and then I'm gonna create my text. To create my text, I got to import image draw. Okay, now I got to create a draw object on the image. Okay, so I'm gonna do it right after this one. I can also, okay, right after this one, so image dot image draw equal eng image draw, and what I'm gonna put here is dot draw image. Okay, we have to use this class of this, okay, image draw object, and I'm gonna, so I instantiated my instance. Now I can draw my text onto my image. So on draw, I got to draw text. I got to write here my where I'm gonna position it. So I'm gonna put it, let me put it at 0, 0, and I'm gonna write here Flask tutorial number 1, and font equal FNT. Okay, now let me, okay, there's something wrong with image font. Okay, so image font, here I got to true type. We got to use this this method here. Okay, and here is our title, and okay, we could place it also at 50, and let's say 50. Yeah, let's change this color to coral, make it more, little more visible. Okay, now that we made this, we just can easily go, if you do a series of video and you don't want to use Canvas, something like that, want to make something very quick, here it is, Flask tutorial number 2. And you can also put a subtitle, and with a font that is a little smaller, let's say 36, let's call it font number 2 and font number 2, and let's write something different here, like Python programming.altervista.org, that is my blog. Let's put into 90 little. Let's see what you get. Okay, we can also maybe put it at 95. Let's see, 28 here. Also 105. Let me close this. Okay, so I want to put this to 70. A little up. Let's say 30. No. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. It's just an idea what you could do, and well, that's how to create an image, creating a background and then pasting on these text and images. And it can be useful sometimes. I'm going to use it, and I hope it could be useful also for you. Thank you.